Hey guys, Joseph here, General Manager at ABoatHouse at the 2023 Atlanta Boat Show. As you can see behind me, we have a lot of boats here. We have over 40 pontoons and tritoons on display, all in the Godfrey brand, ranging from the Sweetwaters up to the SanPans. Now we're planning on selling a lot of boats here, but I have 40 more back at the dealership with more on the way. Over 100 pontoons and tritoons coming in stock this year, being one of the largest volume Godfrey dealers in America. We have a wide range of sizes, floor plans, chassis, and option packages to make sure that we have the perfect boat for you. Give us a call, shoot us a message, and come see us at our dealership local to Atlanta, and we'll get you out on the water.